Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
That's like flowing conversation. We both have like a few different weird jobs. Like he works as a professional dog walker.
Those guys are impressive.
And I work as a clown.
What? That's awesome!
Yeah.
You currently work as a clown?
Yeah, I currently work as a clown. I mean, not like currently, like this morning. I'm not dressed in clown clothes right now.
Interesting. Yeah, I've never met a clown before.
Showed they aired the one show that got them off the air.
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! There you go.
He's a tough guy.
Bantamweights voice their desire to cut the extra 10 and meet Mighty Mouse for the crown, while TJ Dillashaw is normally the name.
What's wrong with
his
you?
rival and former teammate Cody Garbrandt inserted himself the greatest welterweight the sport has ever seen. So of course that wasn't good enough, and people have demanded to see him fight elsewhere.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. We're taking our turn and stuff. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Sell that out. Other people going through the line.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. What are they gonna do? Block the whole road?
Yeah.
Called it. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Beige automobile, looked like maybe tinted windows. Anyway, I was hanging a left going west, and the person blew a red light going east. They were in a big group of cars, probably going to race or something like that. And the first two letters of the license plate is C and J.
See where it takes you. Private video. Spray your dishes clean with Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. 5 times faster, grease them.
This is why. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna, if you don't mind. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what you broke.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god. What are you doing, you dummy?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.